If you're looking for a reliable contractor to do an installation for you, again, you're wanting to do a little bit of background check, see if you have any references on those folks, see if you have any neighbors who've used them. But you also want to have a good understanding of their process. And are they sizing a system just based on, I'm holding up 2 fingers, so therefore you need 2 tons? Or are they actually going in and conducting a manual J and properly sizing that? We actually partner with a company called Conduit, which uses LiDAR technology, and our technicians go into a home and we'll take a scan, we'll show you the scan, and that's helping us understand like how much heat, how much cooling does your home need, so that we can properly size the system. We're also taking a look at ductwork, and we're seeing, will this ductwork support the airflow that's needed for whatever new system is going in there? And if these are steps that another company's not doing, that's kind of a warning sign that maybe something's not right here. Or yes, maybe the price is $1,000 cheaper, but ultimately it could be many thousands of dollars more trying to fix an improperly installed system or an improperly designed system. And so that's one thing to really, really look out for.
For all your heating and cooling needs,